this video, we will learn to use the case operators, which are uppercase, lowercase, and capitalized words. We will do this by editing the names of the people we have task assigned to. Specifically, we want the names to be capitalized words, which means that the first character of the first and the last name needs to be capital, while the rest of them needs to be in lowercase, which we can see here in this name, Gregory John, which is perfectly fine with the first letter of both the first and the last name as capital and the rest of the name in lowercase. So now how we will do this, we will go to our editor, and in our editor, in the field where we have the tasks assigned to field, we will apply two operators together, which will be lowercase. So the first thing we will do is we will convert the entire first name and last name into lowercase. And after we have done that, we will then apply the capitalized words operator, which will now make both the first and the last name as capitalized words, which means it will convert the first letters of both the words into capitals. Now, back to our page, we can see that all the names are now perfectly edited with the first characters of both the first and the last name capitals or uppercase, and the rest of the name in lowercase. Now, similarly, like lowercase, if you wanted a section of the text here to be completely uppercase or completely all the letters in capital letters, we could have used the uppercase operator here for that. So this is how the case operators work. So that's it for the case operators, uppercase, lowercase, and the capitalized words. To learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.